We are living in some fascinating time where the future is throwing out so many opportunities and wrapping up the conventional ones. Navigating career in such uncertain times is one of the complex issues that does not have a straight solution. Indeed, navigating career was never linear, even in the best of times. So what's the solution? Wherever you are in your career journey, the solution is to know your potential by knowing yourself deeply. This workshop is about discovering your skill sets, your motivators, and aligning it with the personality type that is most congruent to you. Hello there, this is Dr. Rima Dey, a scientist turned confident personality coach. Having conducted sessions for more than 500 plus students across institutes, including the IITs, I am here to bring you clarity about your potential. Join the workshop if you have a growth mindset, because career is so much more than just a paycheck. Let's meet soon and have a fun-filled workshop to discovering and exploring the potential you.